from a rainy Keeler Gardens. We had many opportunities today to film and do our video in the sunshine, but it was hot and muggy and we thought, let's wait until it cools down. Well, now it's pouring rain. Well, sort of pouring rain. So we will do our live feed with the our beautiful Keeler Gardens in the background, because today is Wish Wednesday. So for those of you who've not been here before, we are Keeler Gardens on the northwest side of Chicago on Keeler Avenue, a public sidewalk, so you can enjoy the space anytime. If you're not in the area, you can enjoy these videos. You can watch with us here at Keeler Gardens. It is really windy today, so bear with us. We come to you about every day with a video here on Facebook to keep you connected. And so that you will know that we are live here on Facebook, you should follow Keeler Gardens, and you should also turn notifications on so that you can find out when Keeler Gardens is live.
Like now.
Like right now.
I just got my notification that Keeler Gardens is live.
So thank you for joining us with our mission to connect you with nature for the betterment of our urban community life. Improvement with a variety of ways to connect with nature. We're educating, we're offering up ideas, opportunities. We would be offering programs if we could, but what we're doing right now is these videos, offering them up as programs that you can do from the comfort of your own home, especially on a rainy day. So one of our programs that we've just developed is called Wish Wednesday, and we started it last week, the beginning of June. And what Wish Wednesday is sort of a documenting of some of our programs for the month of June, some of our programs, so that we can tell you exactly what we have to offer you and what your dollars, when you donate to us, what your dollars support. So we had asked last week for anyone who might know of anyone who would like to sponsor us for our general programming, because we need to pay our insurance. We need $3,500 to pay both our property and liability and vehicle insurance. One of the programs that helps support is Keeler Gardens helping build edible gardens and kitchen gardens. We are working right now with a business down the street, Eris. We did a Feature Friday with them a few weeks ago. We are working with them to build a kitchen garden with herbs and vegetables. We've also worked with other community members to provide containers to create raised vegetable and raised herb gardens without having to spend a lot of money for them on building with which is usually used as cedar. Now, if you're looking for a permanent, structured, beautiful space, you can build wonderful cedar raised beds. We have images, there's kits, we have suggestions, we know people who build them for you. But if you're in a situation where you're, let's say, on a patio, or you want to put a few pots in your parkway, and you're not certain you want to install anything permanent, okay? We have pots that are substantial, let's say 2 feet wide and larger, that you could grow tomatoes in, eggplant, peppers, cucumbers, some with stands and some things might fall out and around, artichokes, and you can definitely fill a container like that with garlic, onion, chive, all the allium type ones. You could do herbs like basil, rosemary, chives. I said chives already. Thyme is what I had intended to say. Oregano. And you can mix in edible flowers like nasturtium and marigold and borage is a beautiful flower. So the goal here is for us to talk to you about programs that we are offering, and to give you a description so that when you're supporting us, you know what we're doing. And this edible gardens is one way to do that. So with that said, know that if you need containers for your own edible garden, whether it's on a patio, a porch, a parkway, or just in the garden, you want to throw some edibles in the garden, let us know. We have lots of pots we can share of different sizes. We also have growing in pots mint, which is one of those runners that we like to keep controlled. We might be sharing that with a local coffee shop to use and some of their specialties. So let us know if you want to start a raised garden bed, and if you need containers, we're happy to share. Let us know if you need some instruction on how to do that. And know that your supportive program dollars go towards programs like this. Both us filming here about it and having guests on site learning about it, and us donating out and sharing with the community and building gardens in the community. So I'm getting a little pelted with some rain, so we're going to call it for the day.
Check out our Instagram post from today.
Yes, we had a wonderful What's in Bloom tour yesterday, so we put a lot of pictures on Instagram yesterday. Today, and we'll do some more today or tomorrow, so you can see what's in bloom. We're hoping to be able to bring you some of those blooms in bouquets sometime in the near future. Stick around for that. And then we often do a hashtag stick around for those of you who stayed till the very, very end, like right now, to find out. Ed is ed at keelergardens.org, and Gina is Gina at keelergardens.org, with our website still under construction being keelergardens.com. So I am really sorry I did not prepare.
Singing in the Rain.
Let's do Singing in the Rain, because I didn't prepare another song. Let's see if I get the lyrics right. We're singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. That's all you get, because I don't know the rest of the words. I don't have the sheet music in front of me. But thank you for joining us, for sticking around. Please, if you can use an edible garden, let us know. All right? We will be back to you tomorrow with more from Keeler Gardens.